Okay. Then this part, pay attention to me. Again, use the count it. And this time, we from right hand. EMI mode, shift right. Yeah. And other one. 这里是38 this is 38. But remember, have to lock. 你在复制公式之前，一定要用 F4锁来右锁列。我刚刚下去看的时候 ，somebody only lock the color without the row. It's mistake. You have to lock the color and the row simultaneously. It will be 38. Then we copy the formula. Then transfer as 0. Then 我们必须验算 we have to examine whether it's correct. So we use the sum. Here is the sum for these two. And this is the sum of these two. If your answer is correct, it will be 101. 101是正确的。And then we will compute the Gini value here. Okay, do you remember the Gini value how to compute? Then I will tell you one more time. E subtract 3 divided to 23 shift 6 squared. And then we use the formula, then we can copy it. 我们用公式拉，等一下就可以复制。Okay, the answer will be here. And then we use the formula format, and the value will be 4 digits. And we don't lock, 不用 lock, 因为我们直接可以复制过来。So the Gini here would be 权重 will be weighted. This value multiple 23 divided to total plus this value multiple 78 divided to total. Then the weighted value will be here and use the format digit 4. This is the result. Okay? So, 这是一个切在一条腿的 Gini index. This is the value for cutting point is 1 left. And next time, please take a picture. 我建议你先拍一下，看你的答案是跟我一样。Because this is the demonstration. And then the assignment would be, 作业是下一个是谁？2到4这边，请你做一个小于3跟大于3。这是第二个 ，you have to do by yourself. And next 是4和6之间，因为我已经把海星的5条腿拿掉。This is smaller than 5 and larger equal than 5. And next is 7 here. So you have to compute the other 3 and then tell me. In Gini index, we will find the smallest and largest. Gini 系数嘛，找小的还是大的？小的。So 这3个里面among the 3 of them, please find the smallest and write them here. The cutting point value will be 1 or 3 or 5 or 7. Which Gini index is smaller? The answer will be here. Okay? And use the yellow color and write down here. Then the teacher assistant can easily find. Okay? Okay. To take a 5.